Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pragya, and in today's video I am going to share with you my first ever experience from buying from purplle.com. So usually I buy my makeup items from Nykaa or Amazon, but I have never shopped from purplle.com. So this time I thought let's give it a try. So I have bought just 5 lipsticks from purplle.com, as you can see, because I don't want to invest a lot more money in a site which is completely new for me. So in this video I am going to share with you what I think about my first purchase from purplle.com and all my experience and what I think about these products. So if you are interested, please keep on watching this video till the end, and without any further delay, let's directly jump into the video. So guys, let me just talk about the site purplle.com at first. I am really very impressed with the site for the first time because my experience is really very nice with this purchase. I just got all my products within 3 days of ordering them. So that's a really very great thing, especially at this pandemic situation. They are delivering their products so fast. I am really impressed with that. So without any further delay, let me talk about the products now. So the first lipstick I have bought, this is from Stay Quirky, and the packaging looks like this. So this is a normal cardboard packaging, and I have heard about Stay Quirky lipsticks a lot more times. I have heard many beauty bloggers talking about Stay Quirky lipsticks. I have never used Stay Quirky lipsticks, I mean not even the liquid ones or the bullet ones. So I thought let me give it a try. So this lipstick retails for $329, and on discount I got it for $239. So that's a great deal, I think. So let me show you the inner packaging. So guys, just look at the packaging, and it is a pink shade lipstick. This is a nice pinkish color. Just see guys, I just love the color, and this is a matte lipstick. But guys, let me be honest about the texture of this lipstick, because I don't like the texture of this lipstick very much, because it really feels a little waxy when you apply it on your lips. So I have tried many other matte lipstick from many other brands, but this lipstick I really don't like, though the shade is really very nice and the price is also very nice. But the texture is a little bit waxy. So in that case I will give it 3 out of 5. But if you really want to try it, you can surely go for this. It's not that bad at all, but I'm not that impressed. So guys, the next 2 lipsticks I have with me is from NY Bae, and the packaging looks like this. Let me show you one by one. So the packaging looks like this. I really like this top half of the packaging because it is transparent and you can see the color from the outer side, which is really very great. So these lipsticks retails for 135 each, and I have got it on a discount at 99 rupees. So that's a great deal, I think. But guys, at the same time I think that this packaging has a little bit problem, because let me show you, this bullet doesn't go inside totally. This is slightly up, and when you are closing this you have to be really very careful, because you can just break this top half of the lipstick. So otherwise, if we keep the packaging aside, this lipstick is really very great guys. This lipstick just taken my heart because they are so creamy guys. Let me show you. These are not matte lipsticks, these are creamy lipsticks, and the color is just wow. At 99 rupees, what more can you expect guys? Just see the color. I just love the color guys, And let me show you the next one. This is also from NY Bay and it cost me 99 as the previous one. And this has also a transparent top. This idea is really very great, you know. I think every lipstick should have this kind of transparent top portion, because it's really makes easier for you to find out your shade. You don't need to open every lipstick and see the color, right? So I think this idea is really very nice. So as I was saying guys, you have to be really very careful while closing and opening these lipsticks, because the bullet is slightly up, and the pandemic just happened to me on the very first day. I just broke slightly the top half of this, as you can see, and I just adjust it with my finger and somehow it is just staying in its place. And this is a really very nice pink color. These lipsticks are so creamy and this just glides on your lips like wow. Just see the color guys. These lipsticks have a great range of their shades, so you can just grab any one of their shades, and all the shades are really very beautiful guys. Trust me, just go and check the shades. You will fall in love with this. So the next lipstick I have with me is from Purplle.com itself. It's an in-house product of Purplle.com and it's called Purplle Ultra HD Matte Mini Liquid Lipstick, and it cost me 189 rupees and it retails for 199. I just got a 10 rupees off on this. So particularly for these lipsticks, there is a huge variety of shade range and all the shades are मतलब एक से बढ़कर एक shade से. I was really very confused which shade I should buy. So I just buy this purple color, and this is a really very nice purple color guys. But I have a problem with this. I will tell you later on. Let me just show you. Okay, I am just opening it upside down. Let me just show you the color first. Just see the color guys. But the problem I have with this lipstick is this is really very drying on your lips. I mean, you will literally feel that you have wear a lipstick. I mean, a thick layer of lipstick. You will feel like that. I just wore it 2 or 3 times, and oh my god, I was always feeling that I have something on my lips, which I don't ever feel with any other lipstick I have used in my life. But with this lipstick I feel that I have put on a huge layer. I mean, lots and lots of lipstick on my lips. It just gives you that kind of feeling. Otherwise the lipstick is really very nice. I mean, the shade is just wow. But I really hope that it was not so much drying as it is now. But कर भी क्या सकते हैं. So just let me show you the last lipstick and the last purchase of mine of this haul, and this is from Bella Bhoste. This is a crayon lipstick and it retails for 149, and I just got it in a discount at 97 rupees. So guys, this is 97 rupees only, and this lipstick is my favorite of all these 5 lipsticks. Let me just show you the color, and this color is just on my lips right now. So this is the color. This is such a nice pinkish and brownish color. I am not very good at explaining colors, but it's a mixture of pink and brown. Just see guys. And at the same time this lipstick is matte and it doesn't feel like you have put a lot more on your lips. It is matte and it's a creamy matte lipstick, you can say. So I really like this lipstick and I am surely going to buy other shades of this, because it is just for 97 rupees guys. Can you believe it? I'm really in love, guys. Just go and buy this Bella Voce crayon lipstick for you guys. I will highly recommend this Bella Voce lipsticks and these NYB lipsticks from this haul, because these are so much affordable. They are really very good for beginners and for those who just want to experiment with colors and don't want to invest a lot more money with their products. So these are really very good for them. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and share your comments with me. That will really make my day. And also follow me on Instagram. The link is in the description box below. And until next time, stay happy, stay safe, and stay tuned. Bye bye, guys.